In this tutorial we're going to look at editing web pages. So the web pages are here in the left hand menu column, and if we just select all pages, and this brings us up a list of the web pages on the website. So we can scroll down and see all the pages there, and they should be familiar to you as being on the public side of the website. Now, just one slight thing to note here is the news page, which is slightly different. That pulls from the blog, so there's nothing there particularly to edit. So really, unless you know what you're doing, I'd steer clear of trying to edit the news page, but the rest of the pages can be edited. So let's have a look at one, and we'll have a look at the page called Swords, which gives us some basic information about the town of Swords. So if we hover over the title, you can do this with any of the page names, it'll give you some options, and the option to choose is Edit. So we'll click on Edit, and that'll bring us up the Swords page. Okay, and now we have the Swords page up, which is similar to advanced editing of blog posts. So we're using the Fusion Builder for these pages, and if we scroll down we can see the various sections. So what we can see here is we've got 3 rows. We've got the first one, the second one here, and then the last one. And we can see the first row is made up of a title in Irish, title in English. Then we have a row broken up into 2 columns with text on the left, a picture on the right. And then finally the third row or container contains a text element. Now if we want to edit any of those, we simply hover over the element and click the pencil symbol. If we click on that, and that will bring us up our text, which we can edit it. Once we finish editing, make sure to click Save. And again, if we want to edit, if we want to change this image, for example, again, it's the same thing. Click on the edit icon, and then we can remove this image. I'm not going to do it here, but we can remove this image and add another one. And the other one is just the same as the blog. You just simply pick an image off your computer. Again, when you're finished making changes, make sure to press Save. And when you're happy that you've made all the appropriate changes, then make sure to click the Update button here on the right hand side. And once we've done that, then the page content will be saved now. And again, if we want to add more sections, we just highlight over the bottom, and we can add further rows and with various elements inside them. We can obviously add as much as we want, and we can divide those up into halves, quarters, whatever we want. So that concludes this tutorial.